Hi, in today's video, we will be looking into how you can install OpenClaw, which is very popular and trending right now. So what you can do, you can install on your machine, but for the purpose of this demo, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install this on new fresh server. And because right now I do not want to give full access to this, maybe after gaining some trust I can install on my machine, but for now let's install this on server. So in this video you will be able to see how to create one Ubuntu server and install this, and we can also integrate this with Telegram. So let's dive into it. So the first thing first will be to create Ubuntu server. For this I am using Hetzner VPS provider, but the process will be almost same for another provider as well. So let's look into and create one server. So I'm gonna look into this architecture for the demo purpose and create one server having 8 GB of RAM for now, and going with the default configuration. So let's wait for few seconds so that server can be created. Okay, and now we can see server is now created. So we need to log into the server. You need to check back your IP address, which you can find here, and your password and username will be in the email. So for this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the terminal, and we need to do the SSH. So this is the IP address, and enter yes, and then we need to enter the password, which is in email again. So paste, enter, and then it will ask me to change the password. So enter the current password again, and then give the new password, confirm new password, and now we are in. So what we can do is sudo update, sudo apt update, and sudo apt upgrade with y flag, because this is newly installed OS on this VPS. We are going to update the packages. Now we can see server upgrade is done. Now let's look into installing OpenClaw. So we are going to use this one-liner command, and let's paste this in our terminal and hit enter. Now we can see OpenClaw installer is installing it. Now we can see the installation is done and we are into setup phase. So I understand this is powerful and risky. Continue. So yes, I'm gonna click yes because this is new fresh machine. So let's try it. Quick start, and then model or auth provider for me will be OpenAI, and I'm gonna select OpenAI API key. And to generate the OpenAI key, please visit platform.openai.com and create new key. So I already have just created this key. So I'm pasting it here, and I will delete this key once this demo is done. So now it is prompting me to select the default model. I'm gonna go with 4.1, and then we need to select the channel. So many options are there. Let's go with Telegram for now, and then it is asking me to enter the Telegram bot token. So to generate the Telegram bot token, we are going to go into Telegram and search for bot father. And on my phone, I am typing a message, new bot, and it is asking me, please choose a name for your bot. So let me type in OpenClaw underscore YT underscore demo send. It says good. Now let's choose a username for your bot that should end with bot. So let me type the name for it. And now it has given me the token details. So I'm pasting the token number here, hit enter. And now configure skills, yes. Show homebrew install command, yes. I'm going with npm. And on this screen, install missing skill dependencies. You need to select space bar for given dependencies to be selected. So I'm selecting space bar. And then hit enter, and it will install the relevant dependencies one by one. So for now I'm not going with Gemini API keys. Install shell completion script, yes. And then I'm gonna restart. So going to terminate my terminal and going to open it again. And run the previous command, which was ssh. Enter the password, log into the system again. And I'm gonna select OpenClaw onboard command. Enter. Again the same process. Yes, yes. Config handling, use existing value. OpenAI API key, use existing value. Go ahead with 4.1. Telegram, leave it as it is because we already provided the details. Configure the skills now, yes. Homebrew install, yes. npm, yes. Let me select these dependencies because previously these dependencies were failing. So let's retry one more time. And now it is installing the gateway service is installed. And now we are going to start our bot with open the web UI, cell completion. And because right now we are logged into this Ubuntu server and we were running this command, now we need to do the SSH forwarding. And then so basically I'm using Ubuntu server which is not having any GUI, so I'm not able to do this. But for this we need to open this in terminal of our local machine, which is Mac in my scenario. So I'm gonna open one more terminal tab, okay, and then paste this. What it will enable is like it will do the SSH forwarding so that on our Mac system we can see the open web UI for that. So now we can see it is giving this instruction to open this local host. So let me open this local host wherein we can see it is showing me disconnected, and then it is also giving another URL, which is this one, having some token details inside it. And now it is connected, I think. Let's try. by saying hi, and we can see it is giving the reply. Okay, it means it is connected. So now let's look into my phone. I'm gonna open Telegram. Okay, and going to start the chat with the new bot we have created, but it is giving me the message for pairing the code. So to pair the code, we need to approve the Telegram. So we need to run one command, and the command will be OpenClaw pairing approve Telegram, and then in your chat there will be one pairing code. Just enter that pairing code. In my case it is G77MY CVJ. Enter, and now we can see it is now approved. And see, I sent the hi from Telegram, and the same thing is visible here as well. So we can see now our Telegram is connected, and I can ask any question about my server. So let me try to ask which user are you, and let's chat it here as well. Can you tell me if Docker is installed? So it is saying Docker is not installed. Let me ask, is Nginx installed? So it says Nginx is not installed on the system. And let me ask to install it. But before showing the Nginx to you, let's look into this IP address. Okay, and open this IP address here just to see if something is there on port 80 or not. So we cannot see anything here. So now I am going to ask OpenClaw to install Nginx on this server. And now we can see it is saying I'm installing the latest version of Nginx using the default Ubuntu package manager. And now we can see on this IP address Nginx is absolutely working fine. So this is how we can give the command from Telegram for this example or any another messenger app we were about to select, but for this demo we selected Telegram only. And from anywhere you can give the prompt and it is gonna handle your machine. In our scenario it was Ubuntu server, and then do the needful. So this is all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.